Good morning, folks. It's another Latte Laboratory, and what are we testing today? Well, stay tuned and I'll tell you. It's Gail from Seattle Coffee Gear. So what we are doing today, and I just had this thought myself, Osama sent this in, and he asked us to gauge the temperature change if you take water from a hot kettle and you put it into a gooseneck pour over, how much temperature are you losing? And it's funny, I just had this question this past weekend. I was in a circumstance where I was doing a pour over and the propane failed. I was out and about. So I used a microwave to heat the water and then I put it in my gooseneck and I was thinking the same thing. How much am I losing? I knew I was losing something. So now I'm going to find out. We are doing 210 degree water on the kettle here. We are going to put in 600 grams of water into each kettle. Give it a swirl, and then check the temperature. And the room is like 65 degrees. And these are kettles I've been in here, so they're room temperature. My hypothesis, you know the word. I say it's going to lose 5 or 6 degrees. That's my thought. So let's get on with the test and see how it goes. I have no idea. I've got the Akaya scale here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. What do we, oh, okay, we're good. I thought there was something wrong there, but there really wasn't. Good. Do your thing. Okay, a little swirl. Ooh, 196.3. Wow. And that's a Hario kettle, 196.3. Whoa, that's quite a difference. All right. I'm going to leave that in there. And what we're going to do as well is we are going to do we're going to let these kettles get hotter. And this is the Fellows kettle, by the way. Comes with a thermostat built into the lid. We're going to let these stay hot. We're going to dump them, and we're going to do it again with a preheated gooseneck and see what happens there. Tear that out. This is a little bit thicker. I think this one's going to hold the heat a little bit better. The stainless seems a little thicker. Just a little side note. All right. Yep, I was right. 198.1. .1. So this one lost 12 degrees. This one lost 14 degrees. The Hario. That's quite a bit. That's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. So we're going to dump these. We'll get some more water in the kettle, get it up to temperature, and we'll be back in a second. Let's see what happens. A little bit over, but close enough. $2,046. Okay, let's do the Fellow. Remember to do that. Come on, do your thing. There we go. It's funny, I just ran into this last weekend, this very question. All right. Perfect. I went over the same amount on that one by a tenth. $2.026 was the highest. So, not too bad. You do obviously preheating the pot, the gooseneck helps a lot. So by doing that, you actually save yourself 6 degrees on this one, and let's see, only 2 degrees on the Hario, but still, it saves a lot. 204, 202 versus 196, 198. So there you go. That tells the story, right? It's better to preheat your kettle. I kind of assumed it would be, but yeah. Always got to do these tests just to prove it. Thanks a lot for watching. Give us some more Latte Lab suggestions down below. Comments. Maybe you've done this test. Let me know what you came up with. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next Latte Lab.